Hello everyone, this is Marjorie Uy of Woman and Digital. So today I'm doing a financial review of our recent expenses. No. So I recently found a new way um, to to borrow money by using my smartphone. It's a mobile app. It's called Tala. So for today, I just wanted to show to you how Tala works or how you can apply for a cash loan with Tala mobile app. First of all, you have to download Tala mobile app on your smartphone. It's available on Google Play. And so I'm using an Android phone. Let's see, I already downloaded it earlier. And let's start with creating an account. Now you have to enter your mobile number. Okay. Once you've entered your mobile number, you will receive a confirmation code. Once you set up your or enter the 4-digit number sent by Tala, you have to create your 4-digit PIN number so for you to log on to the app. Here's the page. So apply for loan. There's a portion for how Tala works. You can review it. And then your Tala status. Track your progress over time. Let's see. Okay. Here you have apply for a loan. Qualify for loans up to 10,000 over time. I think the first, for first time, you are allowed to borrow from 1,000 to 1,999. Keep your account in good standing and pay loans on time. Okay. That's your my Tala status. Okay. How Tala works. Okay. Here, apply for a loan. What's the requirement? Just your phone and the ID. Proof of income. 5 minutes. Without having to visit the bank or store, you will get to know if your loan is approved or not. So on your first loan, Tala will ask to submit your photo or an ID for verification. So let's see, apply for a cash loan. Alright. Here, once you're decided if you're going to apply for a cash loan, just press get started. Okay. Here you will be asked for your identification. Of course, the Tala will ask for an ID, copy of your ID. Once you're approved, the cash loan can be withdrawn through BPI, Cebuana, Luwilier, Palawan Express, and Coins.ph. I haven't tried Coins.ph, so let us know if you tried it before. Although I've already sent money through Palawan Express before, and of course Cebuana. The third step is to repay and qualify for bigger loans. That means you have to pay your loan, your cash loan on time, so you will be eligible for cash loan in the future. And of course, your Tala status will improve